It is the Christmas season. We are doing the Vlogmas series this year as well, guys, and you will be seeing 25 days of Christmas content in my YouTube channel. I am so excited. I can't even tell you. I'm very excited for this season. Yesterday the intro video went up. It's in my Instagram reels and also in my YouTube shorts, but you would have also seen in the starting of this video. And I'm so happy with the output, but I'm so excited for the season, guys. The energy is high. It is cold outside. It's a very warm, cozy season. It is so lit up. We will have 25 days of amazing content going up in my YouTube channel for Vlogmas, guys. And if you have been following me for a year now, guys, you know that I did Vlogmas last year as well. That was the first year when I did, and I filmed for 25 days continuously up until Christmas. That is basically Vlogmas. We'll get to that. So I put out so much amazing content on Christmas, what you can do for Christmas, how you can decorate your space, and like outfit ideas, makeup, nails, hair, whatnot. Everything goes up on my channel, guys, so please stay tuned. And without fail, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys. I also post content very regularly on my Instagram channel, guys. My handle is @indukrish_, so please go follow me on Instagram as well, guys. Okay, guys, I already know what I want to film for 25 days and I pretty much have an idea how I want to go about the entire Vlogmas series. And today is day 1, right? So I want to keep it very light, very chill, and just introduce Vlogmas to you. I'll tell you why. Whenever I say Vlogmas, or even in the last year when I had posted, or even yesterday when I had posted the intro video, a lot of people don't know the Vlogmas concept. It's a very Western concept and not many Indian YouTubers do that, but I so love that concept. I've grown up watching a lot of Vlogmas content actually, so I want to do it for my channel. And from last year only I've taken YouTube very seriously, right? So I did for 25 days and this year also I plan to do the same, and I hope I can continue this tradition as long as I can, guys, because filming for 25 days, vlogging for 25 days and posting it every day is actually a very tedious task for YouTube long form content, guys. Basically that is Vlogmas concept. From December 1 up until December 25, we film every single day pretty much on whatever is happening around Christmas, decorations, gift wrapping, makeup, getting ready for Christmas, so on and so forth. That is basically Vlogmas. It's mostly not a pre-film content. Mostly YouTubers don't do that, and that is the entire concept of Vlogmas, to film from December 1 till December 25 what all happened, and it is close to a real-time content actually. So that's the beauty of Vlogmas, but that again means that you film the entire day, edit and post it the same night, so that day 1 to day 25 you are on schedule. It sounds very tedious. A lot of YouTubers say that they get burnt out and sometimes don't do Vlogmas as well, but I definitely want to do it, guys. It's a concept that I love. I'm very happy around the season in general. December is a beautiful season actually. It's the holiday season, it's the end of the year, it's Christmas season, it's like that time of the year. It is so chill, it's so cozy, great family time, great vibes. So I really love this season. Yes, guys, around this time mostly people want to like chill and relax and enjoy and spend time with the family, but I also want to do Vlogmas and put out amazing Christmas content for you guys. So please do not forget to like, share and subscribe this video, guys. Okay, guys, now that gave you an idea of what is Vlogmas and what the concept is about, and like, you know, how we go about and all that. But before we move on, guys, there's just a small note that I want to put out here. So here's the thing. Traditionally in my family we don't celebrate Christmas, of course, right? Like I've already told this in my last year's Vlogmas as well. Traditionally we don't celebrate Christmas, but again I want to do Vlogmas, right? I love celebrating Christmas. I love celebrating any festival for that matter. Doesn't matter to me at all. But then of course as a child until now we have not celebrated Christmas as a family, right? So when last year's Vlogmas came, it was very confusing for me as to what content I'll put out, because that's the whole point of Vlogmas. You plan and prep for that day so that you can have like a good time with your family, you celebrate Christmas and so many traditional things that you do. But nothing of that sort is happening here, guys. Like, there's no Christmas celebration as such going on here. Of course we can celebrate, there's no hard rule as such, and my family is very, very supportive. But I'm telling you, traditionally the Christmas celebrations is something that you might not be seeing. Like, a lot of things like the entire family coming together and celebrating Christmas, those kind of things you'll not see. Mostly you'll be seeing content like how you can prep for Christmas, what all things you can do, gift ideas for every age group, and like makeup ideas, outfit ideas, decorating your space. These are the things that you'll be seeing in my channel, which is still very relevant, very useful. And I think that's why I want to do Vlogmas, because I love this season. I'm gonna have like a very good time, I'm gonna like celebrate with my family, all that is there. But then certain things that you'll see in a typical Vlogmas video, maybe it's not there. Like that scale, it might not be there. So yes guys, that's what I wanted to tell you before I move on to the actual Vlogmas introduction. Okay guys, so now that we are here, I wanted to read to you a little about like what is Vlogmas, so that you are on board with what is Vlogmas, what is the concept. I've already explained, but then I'll just tell you what is the definition of Vlogmas and what is this whole thing about. So Vlogmas is a holiday YouTube tradition where creators post a daily vlog every day from December 1st to December 25th. The name comes from vlog plus Christmas. That is Vlogmas, guys. So it is vlog plus Christmas is equal to Vlogmas. Again, like I told you, the same thing is mentioned here. It includes decorating for the holidays, gift shopping and wrapping, baking, cooking, cozy routines, which baking and cooking, I don't know, guys. Festive outings and events, daily life with a holiday twist. So this is nothing but a fun festive countdown to Christmas. This is Vlogmas, guys. Okay guys, so that was about Vlogmas, and today is Vlogmas day 1. I have to go to work actually. It's a very busy week in work as well. For people who don't know, I also do an IT job, so this week is very, very busy actually, but still I'm gonna push it through Vlogmas, guys. We can do it. So I'm already ready, but I got a notification that some parcel has come and the guy has given to my security guard. So let's go and see what it is, guys. Okay guys, slight hairstyle change because I went down to get the parcel from the security guard. I got 2 products in this package, and these are collab products, so I can't show you guys, but it's like a cleanser and another one is a different product which I can't tell much about because brands have very strict guidelines, guys. So for the actual reel or the actual action that you have to take, you really can't say much about the product that you have got. You have to wait till the campaign is over and then probably you can post it. So I got 2 products for collab which I'm very happy about. This last 2 months have been so good in terms of content creation, guys. I've been getting so many good collabs and opportunities. Okay guys, I'm getting a little late. I have to have my lunch now. It's almost gonna be 1, and then I have to head to office because I have like very important meetings from like 2 p.m. See you in a bit, guys.